In this video, we're looking at the Realme 7i. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. In this video, we're checking out the last phone on the Realme 7 line. We already did a video on the Realme 7 Pro, on the Realme 7. This time, it's the Realme 7i. Now, historically, when Realme releases their mid-range lines, the iPhones have been known to be the most budget-friendly. I'm honestly pretty curious because I've said it before and I'll say it again, Realme is really good at making phones that are better for your pocket look really good. Right, without further ado, let's unbox. We have that familiar yellow box again, Realme 7i. So on the sides, it gives you that same branding. R for really, we have another one, another phone. On the back, some quick specs, a 64 megapixel AI quad camera setup, a 90 Hz smooth display, 5000 milliamp hour battery power, quick charge of 18 watts, and Snapdragon 662 in here. We have the polar blue version and the 8 gig 128 gig storage version. Okay, let me do that again. I swear there's just something about this Realme yellow that just sort of brightens the mood every time you see it. Let us open this up. Welcome to the Realme family. Still, I think one of the best welcoming box phrases. Here we have quick guide, information guide, jelly case. We have the phone, but onto that a little later. A cardboard phone. Power brick. And this is... how do I see? Yay! USB-C charging cord. Onto the actual phone this time. Whoa! That's pretty! Okay, that's cute. I did not expect. This also has, it says here, a micro SD slot and 2 SIM slots. Let's unbox this because honestly, I want to see what it looks like. It looks so good from here. Ooh! It looks like candy. Wow, okay, wow. That is one really cute glossy bag. So that is a white to blue gradient going on there. I think it just really looks like candy, which makes it look so cute. That looks so yummy. I mean, if I were to name this color, I'd call it bubblegum. I mean, look at that. How could you? It's... I like this. I didn't expect I'd like this so much. But it's so cute. There's also that nice little detail over there. Like, it's smooth, but you can see that there is a different way the light bounces here. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Realme, especially when it comes to phones that are better for your pockets, just have up the ante when it comes to look. I don't know. It really has that fun, joyous, youthful look, you know. I wish this came in pink, but still, this baby blue matches my nails too, so I'm fine with that. It has a matching bluish frame and you can see the gradient going on there because the bottom is actually white. You have volume rockers, you have a power button. At the bottom, you have the charging port, audio port, and then speakers and probably mics. On this other side, a SIM tray and a smooth top. Powering it up, and up next, a montage. Here we go, folks, a quick camera tour time. Okay, so this is the 1X. We have wide. Ooh, that's pretty wide. We have 2X, 5X. Ooh, look at my earrings. And you can zoom up until 10X. Up here you have flash settings, HDR, AI, color dazzle on, and as you can see it automatically says portrait because AI already recognized me as a person. And then you have all the different filters. Ooh, even flamingo, cyberpunk, modern gold. I think these are new, and actually I like flamingo because it looks really nice and pink. Actually, cyberpunk I like better. Right, moving on to the right, you have the portrait mode. And as you can see, the background is now blurred. You have bokeh settings that are adjustable over here. You have AI beauty mode. And up here, you also have filters. And then you have a 64 megapixel mode. Basically, if you want to shoot photos that are 64 megapixel, because the main cam, though it is 64 megapixels, it uses pixel binning to come up with the images it shoots. There's also AI color dazzle on here, and then on the right, more, you have an ultra macro mode, 4 centimeters away for best results. You have Google Lens Pro mode. Ooh, nice. So switch through lenses here. You can shoot in RAW, all the different settings. Nice. You also have a pano mode, a text scanner, slow-mo mode, time-lapse mode, and ooh. So this is super cool for people who wanna shoot vlogs on their phone. So you have this 1x. You have an option to shoot in wide, you have a flash setting, you have steady mode settings, you can turn the grid on and off. Ooh, you can do that so that you have an uninterrupted view and all the different settings. Basically, this is pro mode but for video. I like this. Right, let's move on to the other side. Hey, so you have a 1x up until, well, you have 5x and zoom to 10x. You can also do ultra wide. Now up here we see that there's an ultra steady mode, and then there's an ultra steady mode max. There are also different filters available on video. Nice. And under settings, video resolution of up until 1080p. There is also live beauty mode on here, so I like that. And then night mode, you have 1x, wide, 2x, 5x, and that is 10x. Up here you have your filters. Ooh, you have different size settings. You have timer. Now, selfie time. So there is no selfie under night mode. On video, of course, there's a selfie. Hey! And you have filters up here. You also have beauty mode on front-facing video. And you can shoot 1080 or 720p. On photo mode, can you zoom in or out? No zooming in or out, although you have flash, HDR settings, filters, and of course, an even more detailed beauty mode. So on the selfie, you get more options when it comes to the beauty filter. And then you have the portrait mode, which is basically bokeh. You can adjust that. You have different filters as well. And of course, the same beauty mode you get on selfie photos. And finally, we are back here. You have pano and time-lapse. Right, now that we've done the camera tour, time for some sample shots. And that was our first look, our unboxing, and a quick camera tour of the new Realme 7i. With those specs on paper and with these looks, if you're the type of person who value aesthetics and how things look, but want a phone that's better for your budget, this might be a phone to look at. Of course, I'd have to try the phone out more to see how well it performs in real-life scenarios. We don't have final pricing on this device yet, but historically speaking, it's gonna be even cheaper than the Realme 7. On October 21, there will be a Facebook livestream launch of this phone, so I guess that's when we find out. I'm gonna link down below the details once I get them and where you can get this phone. That's it for today, you guys. Let me know what you think about this cute little thing. Comment down below if you have comments, or let me know what you want to see me test out on this device. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at LAZADA_ on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Until next time!